crazy delicious beetroot salad that's paired with a Turkish style garlic yogurt sauce. Hi everyone, I'm Merlane and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are all about beets, and today we are making this delicious beetroot salad paired with a Turkish style yogurt sauce. Let's get started. Guys, although beets have a love and hate relationship with some people, but I assure you, with this recipe, you won't have that earthy flavor that beets are known to have. So, to begin, you want to make sure that you boil your beets. Once your beets are completely boiled, go ahead and check them with a fork for desired tenderness. It's best to cook them until forked through. Next, remove the beets and place them in cold water and set it aside. Next, in a separate bowl or small measuring cup, go ahead and prepare the dressing. We're starting off with the sherry. You can also use lemon juice if preferred, or distilled vinegar. Next, go ahead and add in the oil, followed by the salt and pepper. Once you're done adding in the salt and pepper, go ahead and add in your fresh parsley. For this recipe, we are using curly parsley, but feel free to use the flat parsley as well. The full recipe, guys, is on the website at savorythoughts.com. Go ahead and whisk it well. Once you're done, set it aside. Once you're done, go ahead and peel the beets and start cutting it into your desired pieces. It's best to cut them into bite-sized pieces as it will be easier for you to eat. Next, place the beets in a bowl and continue the process until you are done. Once you place your beets in the bowl, go ahead and pour your olive oil mixture in. Stir well to combine and refrigerate until ready to use. And now your beets is ready for you to serve with your delicious Turkish style garlic yogurt sauce. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video. We really hope that you enjoyed it. We would love for you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you do not miss any videos. We post videos weekly. Thank you so much and have a blessed day. Cheers.